the content that I'm talking about?
Boleh, madam.
Okay. So you can see this one sebenarnya Madam dah upload dah dekat dalam Google Classroom. Have you joined my Google Classroom?
Yes.
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam. Done.
Alhamdulillah. How about my Telegram channel?
Done.
Done.
Okay, very good. Okay, so when we're talking about foundation level, as you know that your group, yeah, yes. Okay, you go and get it. Okay, alright. So nanti pun sama juga untuk chemistry books, you need to fill in a Google form. Tapi for your group, Madam tak share lagi kan? So later on, after we finish our live class, I will share with you a Google form and you need to choose which package that you want to buy. Okay? Nanti sekejap lagi Madam cerita yang tu. Okay. So kita tengok dulu our carry marks, because we know that at foundation level, your grade is not rely on the final exam only, but it also depends on our carry marks. And this carry marks, kita akan ada a different types of carry marks or assessment throughout semester. So which means that you need to focus starting from week 1 lagi, you memang kena betul-betul fokus sampailah kepada week 12. Okay, and then you will see that the intensity of the assignment will be getting more and more. Mungkin week 1, week 2 ni rasa relax lagi, semua subjek. I believe you all semua ambil core courses like physics, semua ambil kot semester ni. Ambil fizik tak?
Ambil.
Okay, physics, bio kan semua tu. Okay, so you akan nampak bila when you entering week 4 nanti dia akan lebih banyak assignment yang bertindih-tindih nak kena hantar. Time tu lah tak cukup tidur lah apa benda semua. Okay, so these are the things yang you kena control. Okay, so for the carry marks for chemistry 1, you'll see that kita akan ada a test that we call it as lab skill test, and it contribute 5%. Okay, in which this one is actually come from your experiment. So by right, in chemistry 1 there will be 4 experiment, but so kalau kita ada face to face class, by right you are going to enter lab 4 times. Ada 4 kali yang mana you need to get your lab coat, you akan masuk buat experiment in the lab. But unfortunately, because we are going to have online classes, fully online classes, so lab pun kita akan buat virtual lab, so you don't need any lab coat for virtual lab. Okay, tapi all the experiment tadi masih lagi remain 4, and it will be tested in this lab skill test week 12. Yes, Daniel, did you raise your hand? Do you have any question? Tak sengaja kot. Okay, alright. So now this lab skill test bila kita akan buat minggu akhir nanti, week 12. Okay, alright. So now let's move to the next assessment. So quizzes is also is considered as one of the important assessment, because you can see quizzes 4 times. 4 times meaning that you are going to have 4 quizzes. Okay, and the details of the quiz I will explain to you later kat bawah. But if you look at the weightage, the percentage contributed by the quizzes will be 35%. Besar lah tu. Okay, besar. So every single quiz is very important, because if you miss one quiz without any reason ke apa, nanti akan rugi. Nanti it will be it will impact your it will affect your carry marks later. So please be careful about quizzes ni. Okay, so it will contribute 35% as I said. Okay, and it will be followed by assignment in which in the form of lab report. So maknanya when we do a virtual lab later on, so at the end of the session you need to submit a lab report. Okay, so sebab ada 4 eksperimen, meaning that altogether for chemistry 1 you need to submit 4 lab reports. Mesti kena hantar. Sebab kadang-kadang ada student yang dia buat je eksperimen tapi tak hantar lab report, then you will miss a certain percentage, rugi. Okay, so it will contribute 10%. So altogether total will be 50%, and equally your EOS letter final exam also contribute 50%. So jangan pandang rendah dengan carry mark sebab dia ada equal weightage with your final exam. Okay, clear? Okay, clear.
Clear, madam.
Yang Okay, diam. Diam tu takut tak dengar kan? Okay.
Clear madam.
Alright, so now let's have a quick look or view on your quiz. Okay, so your quiz, if I'm not mistaken, nanti kita tengok kat bawah. If I'm not mistaken, your quiz 1 will be in week 5 later, okay, in which this quiz is a combination of 2 topics. Topik pertama dan juga topik kedua. Okay, topic 1 and topic 2, we give you quiz 1 and the weightage setiap satu topik will contribute 5%, so altogether 10%. And the details of the quiz also given in this table, yang mana 15 markah tadi, 6 will be MCQ, multiple choice question, and then 9 for the structured. Structured ni it can be in the form of short essay ataupun drawing, you need to draw something, you need to construct table or graph or something like that. Okay, and if you look at the platform that we are going to use for the quiz, our very first quiz will be using only one platform, which is Google Classroom. So that's why it is very important for you to join the Google Classroom, sebab boleh dikatakan Google Classroom tu is considered as one of the official media or platform lah untuk madam consider your attendance, your contribution to the class. So kalau ada problem to join the Google Classroom, you need to inform me. Okay, alright. And then when you go to quiz 2, sama juga, it's a combination of 2 topics, 3 dengan 4, okay, and the weightage pun sama, 5% from each topic, total marks pun sama. So that's why you can see the duration given is 1 hour, sebab duration tu dia bergantung kepada total marks, bergantung kepada total marks. But then what I want you to highlight to you here is the platform that we are going to use, starting from quiz 2 and also quiz 3, betul lah, 2 and 3, kita akan guna 2 medium, 2 platform. Satu iTalk. So have you registered your iTalk?
Done madam.
Yes madam.
Done.
Yes.
iTalk dengan Google Classroom. Same goes to quiz 3. Cuma quiz 3 tu kalau kita tengok, it is only consists of one topic saja. So that's why it is only 5%, and markah pun lain sikit lah, 15 marks. So which means that the time given for you to answer this quiz will be shorter, which is 30 minutes. 30 minit sahaja untuk quiz academic structure, and our final quiz will be quiz 4 yang ada combination of 2 topik, 6 and 7. So meaning that kita ada 7 topik dalam chemistry 1, okay, that comes with 4 quizzes. Okay, alright. So the detail nanti you all boleh tengok sendiri. Okay, so I just want to go very quickly with you in terms of content. You all boleh tengok tajuk dia. Tajuk dia, topik 1 yang kita akan belajar starting from tomorrow is all about atoms, molecules and ions. Bunyi pun senang je. Okay, macam dah belajar pun masa SPM, am I right? Okay, so boleh dikatakan very basic in topik 1 ni. Okay, so kita boleh refresh balik all the theories about mole concept, Avogadro's number, empirical formula. Ada belajar tak? Empirical formula.
You have. Yes.
Pictorial formula
The simplest ratio of a number.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah masih
Yeah.
senanglah kerja madam esok sebab masih ingat lagi. Okay, right. So cuma benda baru kat sini adalah the mass spectra ni. Itu sikit je lah benda baru yang you akan belajar, mass spectra. Okay, so the details, because our main reference for chemistry 1 will be Silverberg. Okay, Silverberg textbooks, and by right it should be 9th edition, tapi sebenarnya tak kisah pun kalau you ada 8th edition or 10 a global edition pun okay, tapi maknanya currently the latest edition is 9th. Okay, and then because it is an international books, buku dia memang tebal lah, buku dia tebal, but don't worry because you are going to use these textbooks not only for chemistry 1 but also for chemistry 2 pun akan guna buku yang sama. Okay, tetapi disebabkan oleh dia international book, so some of the chapter tu, topik tu not in our syllabus. So the details of which part yang berada dalam kita punya syllabus is given under task reading ni. So you nampak kat situ kan, contohnya topik 1 kita ni, it will be chapter 2 in the syllabus. Okay, and page number that involve 42 hingga 44, okay, 53 to 58. So we have given you the details of the page number. Okay, so I just want to share with you the ebook of our Silverberg ni. Okay, Dia punya content lebih kurang macam ni lah. So these are the things yang kita akan belajar in topic 1. Okay. So ini ebook dia yang mana if you're using your laptop later, you need to key in the password and also your ID to log in. Okay, and then you can have a fully access of this ebook. Okay, yang mana you can scroll down like this, but if you're using iPad ke apa, you need to download the apps so that you can read in the form of macam ni lah, yang macam madam ni. Okay, alright, so this is the ebook of Silverbird, just to give you the idea macam mana rupa bentuk kita punya Silverbird. Dia akan ada sample problem like this. Okay, tapi unfortunately some of the parts ni, some of the topic dia tu kita memang tak belajar pun, so kita akan skip saja. Okay, alright. So when you go to the next one is topic 2. Topic 2 is all about reaction and stoichiometry. Apa yang you akan belajar dalam ni? You akan belajar pasal reaction, acid base, precipitation reaction. Have you learned about redox before this?
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Semua dah belajar.
madam, yes.
Okay, so then what I want to highlight in week 2 adalah, you can see the word tutorial 1 there, right? Okay, so what is tutorial? So in chemistry, for tutorial, there will be workbook, kita panggil ya, workbook, okay? And this workbook is a compilation of question for every single chapter that we have. Maksudnya topik 1 dia akan ada satu tutorial, kita panggil tutorial 1, topik 2 panggil tutorial 2. So this book, because we have fully online kan, selalunya you akan dapat physical books, but this time kita akan bagi dalam bentuk PDF. Okay, I will provide to you the file this Friday insyaAllah, but unfortunately this workbook will cost you RM2. Okay, RM2 for this PDF workbook. Okay, selalunya harga dia physical book biasanya dalam RM8, but this time because it is in the form of PDF 5, so harga dia RM2. Okay, so nantilah kita tengok macam mana nak collect the money later on. Okay, alright, so bila kita ada tutorial 1 macam ni, maksudnya kita kena discuss tutorial in week 2. Week 2 ni, before our discussion of tutorial kat sini, you need to make sure that you try to answer all question dulu. Kena jawab dulu semua soalan. Lepas tu maybe I will choose a slot, maybe contoh Friday. Okay, this Friday we are going to discuss tutorial 1. So we are going to use that slot, and pada masa tu kena make sure you all semua dah jawab. Kecuali ada soalan-soalan yang memang langsung tak boleh jawab, so that kind of question kita boleh discuss during our tutorial session. So maknanya pada minggu kedua ni ada satu slot tu kita akan jadikan dia sebagai tutorial discussion session. Okay, boleh faham Alright, oops. Okay, so seterusnya, so kita, kenapa tak boleh? Oh ni, this is from email. Okay. I need to close this first Lupa pula, I forgot to download this. Discard changes. Okay, so you can see gitulah, you boleh go through on your own. Okay, I just want to go very quickly with you. Topik kedua ni, as I said, type of fraction. So adalah a few things yang benda baru yang you all belajar, tapi definitely it will involve calculation. Like contohnya untuk kira molarity, dilution, titration. So these are the things yang kita akan cover dalam topik 2. Okay, alright, and then topic 3 pula is all about gases and kinetic molecular theory. So I think you dah belajar dah dia punya basic, like Boyle's law, Charles law. Ada belajar tak dalam physics? Okay, so kita akan belajar Boyle's, Charles, Avogadro's law dalam kinetic molecular theory and gases. Okay, and then for topic 4 you are going to learn about rates of reaction.
Boyle tu bukan, tu kimia betul lah. Aku ingat ni.
Yang mana?
Aku ingat fizik tu. Aku ingat fizik, fizik dia.
Memang fizik ke?
Memang fizik. Yeah, okay. So topic 4 pula kita akan belajar pasal reaction kinetics, pasal rate of reaction. You've learned about this too, right? Ada aja tak?
Yes.
Like factors affecting the rates of reaction. Kita ada apa? Surface area, concentration,
Temperature.
catalyst, right?
Temperature.
Betul lah tu.
Yes.
Semangat betul. Siapa yang pada semangat tu yang yes tadi?
Faris.
Faris. Okay, I like the spirit. Okay, alright. So lepas tu you can go through lah tutorial 3 semua. So you can see in week 5 you are going to have your very first laboratory work. So as I said, this is virtual lab. So sebab tu you memang kena beli juga access code supaya you all boleh masuk kepada our system. Kita panggil sebagai connect. Okay, so inside this connect akan ada our list of experiment yang you akan buat and you are going to submit the lab report dekat situ. Okay, nanti Madam cerita sekejap lagi pasal kita punya access tu. Okay, alright. So then our very first quiz will be in week 6. Itu quiz pertama kita. Okay, and then in this week also kita akan masuk topik 5. Topik 5 ni is all about atomic structure. Atomic structure ni boleh Madam katakan mungkin 80% dia adalah totally new for you. Okay, benda baru yang mana in this topic dia memang tak ada calculation, banyak explanation. Dia daripada topik 5 dan juga topik 6 chemical bonding. Okay, chemical bonding the basic I think you've already learned about this, macam contohnya how many types of bonds. Betul Adam. Covalent lagi
Ionic.
ionic bond.
Ionic.
Yes, betul. Okay, so tapi kita nak belajar lagi detail lah. Okay, so in topik chemical bonding ni paling dia punya topik paling panjang. Sebab tu you tengok dia mula daripada minggu ke-8 sampailah minggu ke-11 baru selesai dia. Sebab it's a very long topic and dia sangat interconnected to topic 5 tadi, atomic structure. If you don't understand atomic structure, you cannot do chemical bonding. Saling berkait antara satu sama lain. Okay, so biasanya 4 and 5 ni is the most challenging topic in chemistry 1. So you need to focus more on this topic. Okay, and last but not least, our topic 7 will be intermolecular forces, liquid and solid. Kita nak belajar sikit on the liquids and solids. And topik ni adalah topik paling pendek. Okay, alright. And you are going to have your final lab juga pada minggu ke-11, laboratory work 4, and then tutorial terakhir dan juga quiz terakhir, and also lab skill test on week 12. So boleh nampak dia punya intensity of not only from chemistry tapi fizik semua tu dia akan ada bersusun-susun lah assignment yang you perlu kena submit pada hujung-hujung semester nanti. Okay, alright. So do you have any questions so far regarding this?
No, madam.
Tak ada.
No, madam.
No, madam.
Alright,
No,
so
madam.
speaking about our silverbird here, okay. So silverbird ni sebenarnya kita ada two option. First option is later I will share the PDF in the WhatsApp group, nanti you boleh tengok and decide. Tapi option yang pertama, you need to pay 107. So apa yang you akan dapat dengan 107 ni, you akan dapat the physical books. Okay, nanti publisher, you need to bank in the money straight away to the publisher. Okay, yang mana publisher will post the books straight away to you. Okay, yang mana you akan dapat buku, you akan dapat access link to all the virtual lab semua tu. Okay, another package is, ini package pertama. Package kedua adalah you need to pay RM60 only, RM60. Tapi apa yang you dapat adalah you akan dapat lebih kurang sama dengan 107 kecuali tak dapat physical books. Okay, so maknanya you akan dapat e-book yang macam Madam tunjuk tadi lah. Okay, faham? Okay, so maknanya for chemistry you perlukan dua buku, silverbird dan satu lagi adalah workbook yang berharga RM2 tadi. Okay, jangan confuse sebab my previous group diorang macam agak confused berapa biji buku sebenarnya kena ada. So ada dua lah, textbooks dan juga workbook. Okay, so nanti once you have decided which package that you want, then you can proceed with the payment dan tunggu pada ni. Cuma dekat dalam WhatsApp nanti Madam nak buat sedikit survey yang mana Madam nak tengok berapa orang yang ambil package 107, package RM60 dan berapa orang yang rasanya dia belum boleh beli buku lagi. Mungkin dia ada financial problems ataupun mungkin ada nak kena tunggu masa yang tertentu ke. I need that Okay, I need that. Madam nak tahu. At least kita boleh bantu somewhere. Okay, so I really hope that you can fill in the survey after this dalam WhatsApp group. Okay, so any other questions that you want to ask?
No.
Yeah. Okay, so I think itu sahaja pun juga yang Madam nak sampaikan untuk hari ni. Okay, so we are going to start our class tomorrow insyaAllah. Tapi apa nama tu, tak apalah, PowerPoint lecture notes you can download dulu. So at least it will help you to be prepared for the class. And satu lagi on top of that, dekat dalam Telegram channel tu, Madam nak you all tengok video YouTube. Ada 2 YouTube video. Basically dekat dalam Telegram tu, Madam dah list according based on the sequence. Maksudnya daripada subtopik ke subtopik. So untuk kelas besok, if possible, could you please watch the first and the second YouTube video. Nombor 1 dengan nombor 2. Ada link kat situ. Hopefully you can watch before our class tomorrow. Okay? Alright. I think itu sahaja for today. Sekejap, I stop sharing first. Okay? Alright. So with that, if you have no questions,